How to download SafePal application on your iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on a journey to safely manage your crypto and digital assets, then you are in the right place. Let's get you through how to download the SafePal app on your iOS. This process also works for your Android device, just follow along. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in SafePal and search. Look for the SafePal crypto wallet BTC NFT app from SafePal Limited and tap on the Get or the Install or the Cloud icon. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Now, go ahead and access necessary permissions such as notifications if you want. If you don't want to allow notification right now, you can tap on Don't Allow, whereas if you do, tap on Allow. Now you'll come across this page from where you can create a new wallet, log into your existing wallet or connect hardware wallet. So there you go ahead and select any one option and get access to your wallet again. So that's how you easily download and install the SafePal application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.